Hey, in this video, I will show you how to get the Facebook bar if it's not showing for you in 2021. It's actually a very simple video that should help you out on any iPhone and on any Android device, and I've updated it to work in 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions while you are watching the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. Curious to know. So what you want to do, I'll show you 3 or 4 ways to fix it, so make sure you watch until the end. First, the shortcut bar is basically this bar right here, and sometimes it's just not showing. So the first thing you can do, and I'll show you 3 or 4 ways, is click on the menu, which is the button at the top, bottom right corner. From there, you want to go down to settings and privacy, select settings and privacy. And here you have settings, privacy shortcuts, your time on Facebook, device requests, recent ad activity. You want to click on the first option, settings. From there, you want to go down until you find the shortcuts. It's here, shortcuts, make it easier to access the services on Facebook that you use the most. Shortcut bar, let's click on it. And as you can see, if I toggle some of these options on and off, the shortcut bar will change. And in some countries, you also have an option to actually switch off or turn on the shortcut bar itself. It says choose the shortcuts that we can use to personalize your shortcuts bar. So if, for example, if you don't want pages, you can just turn them off here. But if you don't have the shortcuts bar in general, I'll tell you how to fix it in the next 2 ways. But I think 4 is more cohesive, but 5 is cool as well. So if you don't have the shortcuts bar, basically this bar at all, here is what you can do. You want to go on your settings on your iPhone. On an Android device, you want to click on apps and then find Facebook. And then on an iPhone, you want to click on general, then click on iPhone storage. And now you want to find the Facebook app. It should be somewhere at the top, Facebook, and you want to offload the app. This will basically free up your storage, but it also resets your settings. So it's really good. If you don't have the shortcuts app, this should help you out. And then when you reinstall it, you kind of have the beginner experience when you are setting up the app. So this helped a lot of people in a lot of countries. So when I looked it up online, so this is one of the things. As you can see, I'm running version 309 on Facebook. So 309 or higher should have the shortcuts bar. So here's what you can do. You can also go to the App Store. Click on search, which is the top, the bottom right button, and type in Facebook. Right here, you want to make sure there's no update option. If there's an install option, install it. If there's an update, update it. But you want to have the recent version of Facebook, because on older versions we didn't have the shortcuts bar. We just had the menu at the on the left, and it was ugly. So you want to update the app, and this should help you out. If this video helped you out, please give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, because each like helps me out a lot. I'm uploading hundreds of videos just like this per week, and I'm trying to reply to every single comment. So if you have questions, comment them down below. I'll try to get back to them. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.